Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Battery Saver and setting an automatic schedule so energy rules apply without thinking. Reduce screen brightness to about 30 to 50% or use adaptive brightness to match light. This quickly cuts major drain. Then turn off radios you do not need, Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS, when idle to prevent background wake-ups. Once done, make sure apps are not set to auto-launch. This initial sweep sets the phone to a low-draw baseline before deeper tweaks. Next, you tighten background permissions and app behavior to stop stealth battery loss. Restrict background activity for heavy apps like maps, streaming, and social clients so they cannot run constantly. Use lighter app versions or the browser web interface for social and shopping apps to lower CPU and network use and reduce autosync frequency. Set email and accounts to longer intervals or manual. Make sure adaptive battery and app power limits are enabled. Doing these middle step controls significantly extends usable hours between charges. Finally, apply display and charging habits that preserve charge and battery health. Enable system dark mode and limit always-on display to reduce OLED draw. Set refresh rate to 60 Hz for most use cases. Inspect battery usage in settings and uninstall or restrict any app consuming abnormal power. Adopt scheduled charging habits, keeping the battery between 20% and 80% when possible to prolong lifespan. If you still see rapid drain, force stop suspect apps, reboot once, and if unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.